next year. So should you be interested, you can email your resume to Richie Ramos, to your professor, so he can give it to me. So my company is Reckitt Benckiser. We are the makers of Lysol's #1 brand here in the Philippines. I handle that. Mortein, it's a natural insecticide. Sa amin din si Strepsils, Veep, Durex, Gaviscon, and Mucinex. So those are the brands that we have, at least here in the Philippines. So next year will be a very exciting year for us. So we hope you can join us. So if you're interested, you can email your CVs to Richie. Thanks.
Kami naman, we're also looking for digital people who want to be in either creative or account management or looking for internships right now. Kaya license nyo naman yung email yung CV.
Okay, ako one. I have one announcement. Who wants an iPad mini? Okay, like this. You go to sandybarley.com, video yourself, do a selfie, and just say your name like me. I'm KitKat Yesra, Chief Marketing Officer, and 42K finisher, and I'm on grass. So just submit it, the most number of likes will win. Top 10 yung winner siya. Top 10 will win a mini iPad.
Game changer talaga to.
Okay guys, we also we're looking for gatekeepers. So if you want something new, we're gonna pay you with big money. Okay, 100 pesos per game. So that's like 100 pesos for every an hour and a half that you spend just playing. So if you want,
Binabayaran ko yung parang maglaro, di ba?
just email your resume to me, marge@mysterymanila.com. So it's all the schedules are based on your availability. So you just let us know when you're available, and that's the only time that you will be a gatekeeper, and we pay you on the spot. Thank you.
Okay, once again, thank you to our speakers. Guys, if you need contact details from our speakers, you can talk to your professors. Ms. Liza Sanchez and St. Richie Ramos. Okay, are the prizes ready? Are you guys ready for the prizes? Okay, but before that, I know you guys are hungry. We're giving away we have to do something. There's a lot of donuts, guys. Okay? For everyone.